Aye, boy. All right.
Can I have a water?
What we're gonna do, we're gonna have the DJ play for like 15 minutes. Then we're gonna bring on one of the artists. And then when she's done, we're gonna come back, do what we gotta do. Make sure you get something to drink. Support the bar as much as you can. Make sure it's nice and groovy. I'd like to say happy birthday to all Geminis in the building today. I want to make you know that my birthday is every day for the 1st of June until the 31st. If you know you. Happy birthday to you too. Alright, good. Alright. Happy Father's Day in advance to all the fathers there. The responsible fathers, you know.